Hello, you're watching video number 1 about if function. It's about simple if function, if then else, and also I'll show you nested if. If I post videos, then I'll get subscribers, else I get nothing. In this video, first simple if, second if inside another if or nested if, and third maybe just use the lookup formula instead of ifs for number and for text. We're in sample file. Here is some data. We have names, age, and some also data here. Age group. Let's see what we have when they are kids, if they are from 0 to 12. So less than 12 is also kids. So let's paste formula. If open parentheses or hit tab key, just as I did, you'll see this help tip logical expression will be age less than 12, comma, if true, it will be kids, if not true, it will be some other group. I don't know even what it will be. Let's just hit Ctrl D. Oh, here is C. There are 3 kids in our sample table, and it was already simple if formula. You see, here is also some expression. Here is what if true. Here is what if false. Then just close parentheses, hit enter, and see the result. So just that simple. But here we have also teenagers, young people, grown-ups, and so on. Step into our formula. False value is other. I'll just cut it with Ctrl X, and then inside of it I'll insert another if b2 less than 18, the group is teenagers, and then others. So I pasted another if formula instead of value if false. All this another formula is just value if false. So in our formula we have also value if false other, and I want to add another group here. If b2 less than 30, the group is called grown-ups. Another case, other, I don't know. Copy this formula down, see the result. It is okay, we have teenagers, grown-ups, kids, and others. I don't want to continue this formula because it will be very long. I guess you understood basics of it. You just paste another if statement instead of other. You also may make another conditions or even make some if conditions inside of value if true statement. So nested ifs is when you inside of your if make another ifs instead of results. Result if true and result if false may be overwritten with any other condition or formula. Also, I'll show you with names and professions. If it max, it will be engineer. So let's make profession column and make formula if tab logical expression name equals max. Then it is engineer. When not, I even don't know. I don't know. Well, okay, that's enough, I guess. Let's copy formula down. See the result. Just the same as with name. Name as the same as age, because we have condition, result if true and result if false. It's basics. But when you have text and you compare it with another text, you make it with quotes. And now I want to show you how to make all this with the vlookup. I'll insert two columns here, copy this, and make it two. Second way to make the same, just as simple as vlookup, search key is age, range is ages, let's lock it with F4 key, and oh, there is comma, and index is number 2. We are looking for group number 2, and then last position is sorted. In our case, is sorted is true because we have ages in order first 0, 12, 18, 13. So the age column in our data range is sorted, so it's true, and it has returned teenagers. Copy this formula down and see all our groups, and even when here we didn't define it already, but here we see that it is elderly people, young people, and the result is just the same. And also for professions, the lookup formula also will work. Here is our range. Hit F4. And we look for second column, so index is 2. And here we are looking for names, and it doesn't matter when names are sorted or not. Hit not sorted 0 for this argument in function. Then just hit enter, copy your formula down, and see the profession for every entire name in this table. So there are many cases when you need to make if function, but when you have some big table and you need to make nested ifs, you may think about more simple way of accomplishing this task is using of vlookup formula. This is all for now. I wish you to make some experiments with my sample. You may find it under video, the link below the video, and see you soon in the next videos.